How are your Cheerios? Little jumping bean. Did you get a bad one? Did you get a bad Cheerio? Yeah? How was your dinner? Good? Yeah? Yeah? Can you smile for me? No? How about like this? That's what I'm talking about. Can you clap for me? Clap, clap, clap. Yeah, you can. Yeah, except you got a Cheerio in your hand. How come you keep spitting them out? You just discovered how to do that, didn't you? You are a silly, silly girl. Well, you're telling me, aren't you? Uh-oh, I know what that is. I see some grunting going on. Look at those little toes. Are those the cutest little toes? Let me tickle your toes. Okay, I won't photograph you while I won't film you while you're going